Good evening, brothers and sisters. It is 9:49 p.m. Central. Oh, excuse me, 9:50 p.m. Central Standard Time on February 3rd, 2022. I hope our Creator is keeping you all well and safe where you are in the world. And we are actually going to take a look at our density here from our Geospace magnetic sphere cut planes. Okay, once again, this is the day's time facing the sun. The black side is the dark side, or the Earth. This is the light side of the Earth, the dark side. So the sun is over here shining at us, North Pole, South Pole. So we're looking from east to west. And this right here is looking from south to north. Yeah, south to north, I believe. So as you can see here, our density is actually, it's pretty dense. Now if you want to come up and take a look at the numbers here, just to kind of give you a reference. Okay, this is super dense. Okay, down here. Okay, so as we can see, it's really dense around our planet at the moment. Earth is still doing pretty good. This is just density. It doesn't mean we're going to die. We're not going to die. We're going to be alright, but it's very dense. Now, the thing you got to understand with density, a lot of times comes pressure, like this, and this is our pressure. Okay? And we are definitely taking on some pressure. The heat is on. It's a constant, right? And you can see those waves from the coronal mass ejection impacting the planet. That's what those are. So we're definitely taking on some pressure and some density. So just try and stay vigilant out there, folks, and be aware. But that, really, the main reason I'm here is because I'm confused, folks. I'm over here looking at seeds. I kind of look at this a couple times a day for everybody. And as I'm looking, I want everybody to first watch this. So it goes from 2 in the morning, this morning, to 6:12. We're missing 4 hours and 12 minutes of data. Why are they hiding that? Okay, that's the first thing. And then the second one, look at this. The only time that this happens is if we have a direct Earth-facing flare and coronal mass ejection. This is directly Earth-facing. That's the only time I've ever seen this. In fact, actually, it looks like you can see the outline of it right here, where it's coming out this way. I mean, you guys see that. And then as you go forward, look, it's expanding. That is Earth-directed energy. Okay, no matter what, that's what this satellite does. It detects an energy outburst. It detects the coronal mass ejections, but and flares. But when I come over here and I'm looking, I'm like, wait a minute. Well, where's that at? I mean, look at the time. We're looking at what, 7:24 in the morning. Oh, what happens at 7:24 in the morning, folks? That's when that mothership moves in place in front of the SDO, and we can't see what's going on. Ah, does that make sense to you guys? Could that be the mothership getting in the way causing that? I don't know, but it's not on yesterday's, just for today. So that's got to make you think a little bit. What exactly is going on? Sorry, I didn't silence my darn phone. But and that's a pretty decent event. That's right about till 8 o'clock. So, yeah, look at that. So, what could that be? I've never seen that. The only time that happens is when we have a CME or a flare coming right at us. But once again, we're over here and there wasn't any. So, I decided, okay, let's come over to SDO. Come over to SDO, come over here to 193 angstroms. Let's try and move this up just a little bit. Boop. Boop. Now if we watch, our time down here is 2:22. It's going to click over to today. And right around 7 o'clock, guess what happens? We're at 4, 5, 6, whoop, 7 o'clock. There goes the mothership. And we have no idea what happened. But did you see the satellite shake? Let me back this up here. Watch the satellite. The sun shakes. Watch. Boom. Did you see that shake? So something did impact SDO. But I didn't see any movement on the sun. I didn't see any kind of plasma. I didn't see any kind of disturbance on the surface of the sun. So I don't know what that means, folks. I don't know what that is. I've never seen that. Looking over here at our overlay of 193 and 211 angstroms, all I see is this little popping up here, right here. Boom. It actually pops twice. It pops here. Boom, there's one. Boom, there's a second one. I don't see any other disturbances on the surface of the sun. I have a hard time believing that that is what caused it, because if you look at the timestamp, it's right when that mothership comes down out of the corner this way and then turns and goes out that way. I don't know, folks. I don't. Maybe that was its propulsion as it was getting out of the way. Its anti-gravity or antimatter propulsion system somehow. I don't know, folks. It's getting kind of crazy. Stay safe out there and remember that love's the only way forward.